Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Note 12, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. Now to get started, simply pull down your notifications and locate the toggle for it. So you have Ultra Power, which I believe this is the more extensive version of it, but hopefully if we hold it, we have some deep battery optimizations. Only calls, messages and calendars are available. So it looks like this is the only one that we have right here, but as you can see, this super extensive power saving mode will give us a whopping 8 days of battery life. Now we'll enable it just so you can see how that actually affects the device, because as you can see, that's basically all you get right here. It also asks us if you want to have our location on. Let's let cancel. There we go. Only 3 apps: calls, messages, calendar. And once you're done with this mode, you want to go to the normal one. Just click on the exit, confirm it by tapping on OK, and it will bring back your applications. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.